Hey guys, it's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to add a logo or watermark branding to your YouTube videos. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and leave a comment below. And also consider subscribing to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and neat tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, what we need to do is open up our internet browser. And then we want to come across to youtube.com. And once you've opened up YouTube, if you're not already, you just need to go ahead and sign into your YouTube account, which you can do from the top right hand corner. I'm already signed into my account, so once you're signed in, you need to click onto your profile icon up here in the top right hand corner and come across to YouTube Studio. Okay guys, so once you're in your YouTube Studio, if you come across to the menu on the left hand side, what you need to do is just scroll down until you get to the customization option down here. Go ahead and give that a click. And then what you need to do is come and click onto the branding option up here at the top. And then what you need to do is scroll down, and you'll see just towards the bottom of the page it says video watermark, and you can actually choose when to display this, so you can have it playing through the entire video. You can choose for it to come on at a certain start time, or you can choose for it to come up at the end of the video. And all you need to do to add this is click the change button down here, and it's just gonna basically ask you to upload a subscribe button or your logo, which will appear in your videos. So once you've selected which one you want to do, you just need to double click and click on open, and that will add the watermark. And you'll see if we go onto a video and play one of our videos now, it will appear in the bottom right hand corner. Hey guys, what's going on? So you can see down here it's appeared, and if you actually hover over that watermark, it's actually going to come up with a subscribe option. So I hope you found that helpful. If it did help, please drop a like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to support the Digital Tutor channel, what you can do, there'll be a link in the video description to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.